This is Lurch's house. Lurch is right in here. Whoop. Okay. We can go in here. He likes company. He likes people to talk to him too. So we'll go in here and have a chat. See if I can get it open. Okay. And close that one. Open this one. Oops, sorry. Hi, Lurch. Hi, Lurch. What a good boy. Gonna move to the other perch? Pretty boy. Gonna move? There you go. Pretty. Hi, Lurch. What you doing? What you doing, Lurch? He had his wings all spread yesterday. He has this kind of a sunroof thing up here, which also lets the rain in. Of course, he can opt to be out of that rain, you know, but he loves standing in the rain with his wings spread. So that's what I found him doing with the wind blowing yesterday. Completely enjoying himself. Weren't you, Lurch? Were you having fun yesterday? Were you having fun? What were you doing yesterday? Were you having fun? Hey, buddy. You're so handsome. What a good-looking guy you are. Oh, easy. Easy does it. Easy. All right. It's beautiful. You know, vultures don't have the prettiest face. We don't think of them as pretty. Okay, bye, Lurch. See you later. See you later, buddy. Easy, buddy. Okay.